Good afternoon, everyone. Now we are going to start today's topic. Or in this topic, dear student, we'll discuss about women, right about women. Later on, we'll discuss about caste and social reforms. And last topic, we'll discuss demand for equality and justice. Before starting the topic, I want to recall what point yesterday we have discussed. What were the points? Yesterday we have discussed about the women and major problem which was faced by women earlier. That was the mostly sati pratha, and another one is was regarding their education. So we have discussed the reforms thoughts of the Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar, Swami Dayanand Saraswati. So finally Sati Pratha was banned in 1829 by Raja Ram Mohan Rai by the support of Raja Ram Mohan Rai. British government has banned finally Sati Pratha. And another one is Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar also played the important role for widow remarriage. Support to the widow remarriage means after death of husband, women have right to widow remarriage. It was 1856. And another one we have discussed, it's supported by Swami Dayanand Saraswati. And today we'll discuss after improving the two major problems that was the sati and widow remarriage. What were the new reforms, new ideas given by women, by different scholars for a woman, for education, for social status? So today we'll discuss about the women right about women. It means women has started the writing part because writing is the such communication way. Through this you can spread your message to the mass communication, to the societies. Earlier time it was the mostly, today there are different sources we are using as a communication, but earlier time there were only lack of technology, limited sources. Through this we can convey the message like a letter, through magazine, through the newspaper, through the different articles, like these are the source. Through this we can convey the message. So in class 7 you also study about that Ramabai, Rokia Sakawat, Rama, and one Chaitanya Bhagavat, a famous story written by Raj Sundari. So these are the different women who raise the issues of the women in societies. What are the different problems faced by the women? How to different book written by the different ladies, like a comparison between the male and female. So today we'll discuss about the women, right about women. So first name came as the Begums of Bhopal. So Begum of Bhopal, a lady, Begum of Bhopal has set up the primary schools for girls. Begum of Bhopal set up a education primary schools for a girls in Aligarh. So that was the main role of Begum of Bhopal, set up the schools for girls in Aligarh in UP. Another one was Tarabai Sindhe, and later on we'll discuss about the Pandit Ramabai. So Begum Rokia Shekhawat Hussain started the schools for Muslim girls in Patna and Calcutta, and Pandit Ramabai also played the important role as written a book, or in this book focus the upper caste women's life inside the home. Focus upper caste women life inside the home, and how to their husband treat with their woman or wife. It focused by Pandit Ramabai also. Tarabai Sindhe got a education at home, Pune, He got the education inside Pune and published a famous book by Tarabai Sindhe that is Stri Purush Tulna. Stri Purush Tulna means comparison between the male and female, between the men and women. कि have the rights, suffer mostly in societies. It is the compare between the male and female. तो famous book written by ताराबाई शिंदे ये स्त्री पुरुष तुलना and give the social status for a woman, promote the woman voice, promote the women issues inside the societies. And later on, there were many women who joined the university during the 1880, and they finally economically they build up and later on became their doctors. They able to find out the good jobs and training centers also. They able to work at the different institutions. So this was the story related to the women and who were the women who played the important role to raise their issues in society. First one, I'm repeating all the point. First one was the Begum of Bhopal. What was the role of Begum of Bhopal? Set up the primary schools inside Aligarh for a girls. Later on, and Begum Rokeya Sakawat Hussain started the school for Muslim girls inside Patna and Calcutta. Tarabai Sindhe written a famous book, Stri Purush Tulna, comparison between the male and female, and differences inside the social status inside society, difference between the male and female, and focus their views about that. Another one role is Pandita Ramabai, a scholar, famous scholars, you are studied earlier, a famous scholar of Sanskrit, and book about the miserable lives of the poor and upper class Hindu family women inside the society inside, and how to treated badly by their husband if she focus on that. So she focus the such issues, how to the husband treat badly with the women. She focus later on this work done by the women, but society, those Orthodox Hindu and Muslim society, they were worried about the these issues about the women. If women become educated, they may be corrupt. So that was the stereotypes by the Orthodox Hindu and Muslim who criticized this education system. Later on, women started working to reforms and they wrote the different books, magazine, founded the school training center, and set up the women association also. Women association for what? Where the any bad practices, any badly treatment maybe happens any one lady, so such association maybe raise the issues inside the societies. Later on, women formed the political pressure group to push through the laws and made the laws right to vote for women. So you were study earlier, there was the movement started, civil right movement, and later on women also started the movement for the suffrage movement, means the right should be given to the women, equal right to vote for women. So suffrage movement was started, or finally you were studied in class 6. In 1920, UK got the women got the right in UK first, later on in USA 1928. So 1920 UK women got the right to vote. Later on 1928, after that New Zealand or other nations. Okay. So this was the struggle started by the women for right to vote. Because when they got the right, equal right, comparison the men, right to vote, they may be raise their issues in parliament as a political level, as a political stage, they can raise their issues. So this is the entire story related to women and who are the writers, authors who written about the women. Second point, caste and social reform. So dear student, caste and social reform. So there were different organizations were formed, like a Pratna Samaj also formed. Another one is the Pramans Mandali was founded in 1840. Pramans Mandali who reformed the social status. There was the discrimination was going on with the lower caste. So such organization, Pramans Mandali, founded in 1840 and raised the issues related to the societies. It was set up in Bombay 1840 and to abolition of the caste caste discrimination को बंद करने के लिए, to ban the caste discrimination. Another one is the Pratna Samaj, also support to the Bhakti movement, and through the spiritual or Bhakti movement where people sit together, they may be pray to God or they may be singing a different bhajans or like, or through they can form the equality in caste. Through this, all different caste people may be follow. That is the way of bhakti. Through this means they can approach to the equality. Okay, this was the way which started by the Pratna Samaj. Through the bhakti, what was the way they chose? That was the bhakti. Through the bhakti means the through this all caste will sit together and through the spiritual they got the equality in society. Many Christian missionaries they were set up the schools for tribal, for in tribal area or remote areas. So this was the step done by the Christian missionaries to set up the schools in tribal and remote area. There were availability of jobs after that in cities, and many poor people from the village and small towns who belong to the low caste got the job in industries as a labor. So when they educated skilled and unskilled labor, they able to find out the job. They migrated from the towns and small cities and remote area toward the industrial sites where they able to find the job. Okay, but that work not easy. That was the hard work enough, but poor and got the chance to get away from that discrimination. Early time they were badly treated by the landowners inside villages. When they taken the loan from them, they unable to pay their loan, or many times they sold their asset, their properties. So that was the major problem with the pigeons, with the local villagers, local poor people. So their work was too much hard, but compared them that was easy. And another one, army was the another opinion in job. Many people have started join the army, or mostly there is the one example given in your book. Mere people were a untouchable caste in Maharashtra and who were regarded the untouchables founded job in the Mer regiment. So such regiment is the form, and in Mer regiment they able to find the army job. So through these changes, through the caste discrimination, people has started reforms. How do people has started reform? Many societies has formed the different organization like a Pramans Mandali, like a Pratna Samaj, and many Christian missionaries has set up the new schools. Due to the debt result, many people able to find the jobs. They improve their living standard. They able to try to job in army also. So these were the option changes through the caste and social reform. Now next topic, demand for equality and justice. Where equality means what? When we have equal right in society. And justice, if my rights, anyone rights may be violated by anyone, so we have right to justice. We can approach to the court. But when we can approach to the court, when such laws is made up for me, अगर कोई ऐसा लॉ मेरे लिए बना हुआ है कि अगर ऐसा मेरे साथ होता है तो मैं जस्टिस के लिए अपील कर सकता हूं. तो लेटर ऑन थर्ड टॉपिक इज द डिमांड फॉर इक्वलिटी एंड जस्टिस. तो डिमांड फॉर इक्वलिटी एंड जस्टिस, by the second half of the 19th century, people within the lower caste began organizing the movement against the caste discrimination and demanded the social equality. As a one example, Satnami movement is started in central India, founded by the Ghasidas. I am repeating them. Satnami movement is started by the Ghasidas in central India, who came from a low caste, organized a movement, improve the caste status, improve the social and caste status. Just yes, so we were discussing about the Satnami movement was started by the Ghasidas in central India, or in this movement, he issues the low caste organized the movement to improve the social status. In Eastern Bengal, Haridas Thakur also started a movement for a low caste and Chandala cultivators. Yeah, Chandala is the caste but cultivators. Haridas questioned the Brahminical text and support the caste system. So there were the many people who raised the issues related to the caste discrimination. For dear student, that is the major problem till now. Caste discrimination not a completely fully banned or stopped. Till today, practice is going on related to the caste discrimination. Another one role is played by the Jyotira Phule, who born in 1827 and from low caste leader, he attacked on Brahman, claimed to their superior to the others since they were Aryans. So he written a famous book that is the Gulam Giri. Or in this Gulam Giri, through this key out to the other people who belong from the low caste, कैसे वो एक गुलाम एज ए slaves work करते हैं till death. Gulam Giri means that they follow the orders given by the upper caste. No, today such practices are not going on. Doesn't matter. But that before 200 years ago, before earlier, such practices where they give the order to like their slaves or like a trade. For a trades or for a cultivation purpose. So you know there is the book A written by the Jyotira Phule, born in 1827, famous book that was that is the Gulam Giri. Or in this book, according to the Phule, upper caste had no right their land and power, and the land belonged to the indigenous people who were called low caste. So on low caste have the right on their land. And another one is the Satya Sodak Samaj. Satya Sodak Samaj also play the important role, founded by the Phule, and it promote the caste equality. Means all castes should be equal. No one could be discriminated on the basis of caste. If anyone may be born in lower caste, so it is not their fault here. It is suppose who has decided the caste? God? No, no. Who has classified the caste system? Who has classified the caste system? No God, or maybe there is no such book or where we can study case such classification was given. What we are following, what are ancient period knowledge, learned book are giving, which are the ancient period to related book. Whatever knowledge we have studied, yeah, our earlier forefather has studied, so we are transferring the same knowledge to the next generation. तो नो डिस्टाइज सपोज वैसे महात्मा गांधी का एक बहुत अच्छा थॉट है कि कोई भी इंसान अपने कर्म से मान बनता है न कि जन्म से. महात्मा गांधी ने थॉट दिया है कि कोई भी इंसान अपने कर्मों से, आप कब अपने जो कर्म करोगे, आप अपना एक्शन करोगे, उससे आप ग्रेट होगे, न कि किसी बर्थ से कि किसी ने बर्थ उसकी इसमें ले ली तो ई इज द पॉपुलर या इज द ग्रेट पर्सन. नो, अगर आप अपना वर्क करोगे उसी से ग्रेट बनोगे. तो सत्य शोधक समाज वाज फाउंडेड बाय द ज्योतिराव फुले, प्रमोट द कास्ट सिस्टम, एंड ए गुलामगिरी book also written meaning slavery. It established the link between the condition of lower caste in India and the black slaves in America. So those what type of treatment done with the black slaves in America. So these are the point topic today we will discuss, dear student. First one we will discuss women right about women. These are the three ladies who play the important role. One name is missing, that is the Rokia Sakawat. Begum of Bhopal opened the schools inside Aligarh for a girls primary school. Tarabai Sindhi also written a famous book, Stri Purush Tulna. Another one, Pandit Ramabai, also support and the focus on the stories of the what type of life is spent inside the home by women. Another one, caste and social reform, Paramas Mandali, founded in 1840 in Bombay, has played the important role. Pratna Sabha, through the Bhakti, how to we can remove the caste discrimination. And last one topic we have discussed demand for equality. So different organization has give the and promote the equality like the Satnami movement, a Gulamgiri, a famous book written by the Jyotira Phule, who play the important role, and it focus how to we follow the orders given by the upper caste like this. So these are the today's topic, dear student, we have discussed. If you have any doubt, you may be asked.